What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how we went ahead and installed the cover on the Ridgeline truck right here. This is the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. I'll show you guys how I did the install. Matter of fact, I already installed it, so I'm actually going to take it off. I'll show you guys what I did to install it, then I'll put it back on and we'll see if it's as easy as they make it sound, because I've never done the, taking it off, putting it back on, things like that. So right now, we have it already on here. This is one of the covers that are retractable and it is aluminum. So I went with a model like this versus the, I think the little 3 split ones that, fold over, end up blocking the window. This one actually goes into the bed of the truck and it's actually really nice. So we got to start by unlocking it to make it retractable here. There's a little lock up here at the top. I'll let you guys get a close up in a minute. Then we'll go ahead and push it down to get it started. And then we'll go ahead and open the truck and we'll go ahead and push it back. So it's fully retractable, it makes a nice little noise. With everything installed and everything, you guys know that the truck bed on the Ridgeline does have like an extra trunk in the truck bed that's hidden, which is actually below. You guys may not be able to see it, but with everything installed in the truck, it does, I guess, it doesn't come up all the way, but this is like, I think actually this might be all the way. I could fit anything in here. Let me actually tilt the camera down just a tiny bit. Boom, there it is. So there's still a lot of trunk space in there and you can still access the compartment down here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this whole thing off and I'll show you guys what it is. There is a quick release button over here somewhere that I gotta try to get to. If I can find it. I think I messed up. Let me take this off real quick and I'll show y'all something. As I was struggling to try to get to the quick release right there, if y'all see that little silver piece back there, that's the quick release. It wasn't coming off for me. And I think it's because I forgot that I installed these and gotta take these off first. So we're gonna level this out. Matter of fact, let's do it from the other side first. It's the same concept, but you guys aren't gonna be able to see it because I gotta kind of feel for it here in the back. There it is. There we go. All right, so I popped the other side off. I'll keep this side on here for now, so I'll kind of remember which side is which. We'll go to the other side, do the same thing. Again, I'm just moving this little piece to the center. Once it's in the center, you can pop it off. Same thing that's on this side is up here in the corner. So we'll do it on this end. Now I should be able to come over here to the quick release. Y'all see that little silver latch? We're gonna go ahead and press it. Might have to put the phone down, might not, but we'll try it. Press the latch with my thumb. There it is, way easier. So that's exactly why I couldn't get it off, because I forgot to take that piece off first. We'll go ahead and undo this right here. It comes with a bunch of rope, I guess you'll say. We want to wrap this around. That way we have something to pick it up with, makes it easier to carry. Just wrap it a couple times, then I'll just kind of tuck it in here. Matter of fact, we'll just wrap it around twice. There it is. It gives us a little latch to hang on to. And once we unclipped it on that side, we'll go ahead and just remove it from the hole on this side. All right, so I'm glad I got my tool set with me because they made it seem like this thing is easy. You could take it on and off in 5 minutes. This is the first time I'm actually trying to take it off since I've installed it. And maybe it'll be faster once I figure out how to do it, which I do think I know how to do it. But yeah, anyway, toolkit. And we're gonna have to get a socket and remove this thing that we put on here, and we'll see. Oh, that was simple. Now let's see if it pops off. There we go.